Hey Bank of America customers, ready to use Paze for fast, secure online checkouts? So Paze is a digital wallet that lets you shop without entering card details, and it's super easy with your BOFA cards. So let us talk about how to use this bank. So guys, Paze is an online checkout solution for Bank of America debit and credit cards, replacing your 16-digit card number with a tokenized number for security. No app or new password needed, just your BOFA email. Check if your card is eligible for the I'm just going to call it BOFA app under Manage Card Settings. I missed a merchant once, confirm they accept Paze first, like Sephora or Newegg. So after that, you need to activate Paze, open the BOFA app or go to bankofamerica.com, log in, and navigate to Manage Card Details, Paze Wallet, click Activate and agree to the terms. Alternatively, at a participating merchant's checkout, select the Paze logo, enter your BOFA email and verify with a one-time passcode sent to your phone. Enter the 3-digit CVV for your card if prompted. Your eligible cards are also added, so you're ready to shop. At a checkout on sites like Fanatics or United Airlines, click the Paze button or enter your BOFA email, verify with a passcode sent to your phone, select your BOFA card from the Paze wallet and confirm. Your card details stay hidden and no manual entry is needed, reducing fraud. To remove cards, you need to go to Manage Card Settings and in the BOFA app or opt out entirely at the paze.com/opt-out. which deletes all cards. That's pretty much it, guys. If you liked the video, share any questions below as well and tap the like and thumbs up on the video as well. Subscribe. See you next time.